Hey fellas, so today we are bringing Belfast from Azur Lane to life. Some of you have asking for the spicy side, some asking why are you drawing cute stuff. Well, guess what? We are mixing a little both of them today. Let's dive in. It's going to be insane because I add multiple layers on skin. As usual, we are starting with the skin and okay, many of you were wondering why the hell did I put an Itachi sticker on her? You know, private area. Well, here's the thing, the pose is revealing and her panty isn't covering everything. I already got one warning from YouTube guidelines, so yeah, I don't want a strike. That's why the sticker covers the spicy area. Don't worry, I will show you. So like this skin area, it's too like this skin forced me to go beyond my skin tone limits. It was like I want this and I will find a way and I find it. And that was damn satisfying when I created this skin tone. It was smooth, damn that like I want to eat it. Her. Now the clothes part, I'm sorry I forgot to record hair coloring and the cloth part because normally this where we do hair, but slight problem fellas, so I totally forgot to like record this part and I'm sorry, I know it's my mistake. Well, moving on to the background, and finally the background, keep it simple so Belfast stand out just enough to give her that cozy elegant space without like stealing the spotlight. That charm she has, the ass I mean the hair she has, beautiful.
Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I was swimming with the sharks. I was swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me.
Now with that, our artwork is done. Have some cinematic shots.
Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way.
Well, our buffet mom is done. Yeah, I am hiding it, but don't worry, I will show you a little bit in the end. First, see the full artwork. That's the beautiful skin I ever made. These Barbie boys are in trouble. Well, that's it for today video. Tell me what should I draw next. Hey cameraman. Well, damn cameraman.
Calling up